Hi friends, I'm Khandelwal, Creative Director at Ansa, and today we are at Homz by Khandelwal. हम बिल्कुल जी के साथ हैं. Hi भैया.
Hi, how are you, Ravi?
Very nice भैया.
Yeah.
भैया आज I think we'd like to ask you a lot of questions about all the products that you deal with. I think आप LUK और Vitram दो products में deal करते हैं.
Yes, we are into LUK, which is an Italian brand based out of a Luxembourg head office. And this company is in India for past 8 to 9 years now.
Okay.
And they have a head office in India in Bangalore.
Okay.
Yeah. And the Vitram is an Indian company, which is approximately 7 to 8 year old company, which only specializes in a particular range of windows, which are called minimal windows.
Okay.
So that's why we're keeping both the companies, because LUK have a different range of products and Vitram has a different range of products.
So we like to have a look at your showroom today, ask you a lot of questions.
Certainly.
Also talk about where all these can be utilized and locking systems, everything we like to do.
100%, I'll give you all the ideas if you want.
Okay, of course. Let's start with this. Bhaiya, ये आपका पहला product है.
Right.
So we like to know about this.
So basically, this is a 3-track sliding system,
Okay.
which basically comprises of a one mesh panel and 2 glass doors.
Okay.
So this is basically a one movable glass door.
एक fixed है और एक movable.
Yeah, only one is movable.
ठीक है.
And you can, when you open this, and if you want to use the natural weather outside and don't want the insect inside, so this is the mesh panel which goes and you can even lock it.
Okay.
With this mechanism.
Okay.
So about this system, one part is like this is the other fixed part. We can also operate this, so we can make both the panels movable also.
Okay.
But normally in the industry, we need one openable at a time. So
उससे costing में भी कुछ फर्क आता है?
yeah, if you make both the panels movable, so we have to employ more hardware in it.
Okay.
So costing goes a bit high.
ठीक. तो basically when you say ये सारे exterior है, how secure are the locks?
So basically, this is a multi-point locking. So when we lock the system, so there are 3 locking systems जो
Okay.
3-way lock हो जाता है. So this, when you roll down this, the 3-way locks 1, 2, and 3.
So if you're using it in exteriors, it's pretty secure to use.
It is pretty secure. Okay. So to make it more secure, we can give multiple type of glasses also.
Okay.
So this is kind of a single glass. So we can go with a double glaze unit and we can go with a security glass.
So that is an option that you have for the client. कि उसकी जो मर्जी है वो बोले.
According to the option. Now basically slider is a subject where we have to calculate the requirements of the client.
Okay.
So the technology of this slider comprises, we can go up to 200 kgs per shutter.
Okay.
So that means the height and the width of a single movable shutter cannot be more than 10 feet high and 7 feet, 6 feet width.
Achha.
If we are using a single glass.
Okay.
If the client wants a double glaze unit, like a double glass, then we have to again calculate the weight of the glass.
Okay.
And then we have to decide on the height and the width of a particular panel.
So that's the maximum that can be incorporated in one shutter.
So our normal procedure is to take the drawings from the architect. We see what kind of drawing, how many partitions the architect wants. Then we give the options what kind of slider we can go in.
So accordingly calculate होता है और accordingly आप उसके drawings बना के देते हैं, submit
So it's a
करते हैं.
complete tool. We have to calculate and then give you the product so that the client doesn't have any issues while operating the product.
Okay, understood.
Right.
Well, let's. I think ये तो हमने समझ लिया.
Right.
एक और models भी देखते हैं इसके.
Right. So what we have done here, we have different type of typologies and models. Typologies means कि different type of designs what we can make in these windows. So now this comes out of a larger size of windows. So we have incorporated 4 panels in one window.
अच्छा.
Like both the
दो fix हो गए
corners are fixed.
और 2 sliding हो गए.
And the center part is, you can open it like
Sliding.
this and this.
Okay.
Now this is a 2-track system without that mesh shutter. Some many people ask if they don't like this vision of the mesh panel. So what we have a new system in here. We have a retractable mesh option. So you don't see the mesh when you're not operating it. So when you want to operate, it just comes out. goes like this. When you don't have to go outside to the balcony, you just want to have fresh air, you can just use it.
और इसकी लाइफ कैसी है?
See, this is a bit delicate product, but if you handle it properly, we don't push it regularly, we only handle it from here.
तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं.
Doesn't give you any problem.
It's just about how you're using it actually.
Right. But yes, one more problem is like it is not a pet friendly mesh. So if you have a pet in your house,
Then you don't suggest.
then normally they
claws
play,
से खराब हो
they play with it and the mesh get teared off.
But अगर ये mesh कभी खराब हो जाए तो
That can be replaceable. And the part in the inside is replaceable and can be done within like 2 hours or 3 hours.
economical to do it.
Yeah, it's not a very expensive kind of a thing. Like replacement cost will be somewhere around 2,000 to 3,000 rupees.
अच्छा, okay.
Not more than that.
So maybe अगर ये खराब हो भी जाए तो आप
Yeah, we can easily change anytime if you want.
Okay.
So again, the same model, same specification, but a different typology.
Okay.
So we don't change this specification of the product, but we have differentiated between the typology of it.
That I understood. Let's look at the other products.
Yeah.
And what about this product?
So basically, again the same product, another typology, what we can make. So basically, when customer demands, I need a larger opening.
अच्छा.
So we give again a 3-track system.
But ये दोनों एक के ऊपर
Yes.
इकट्ठे
So
हो
what
जाएंगे.
normally gives you a 50% opening. Now in this we can go a 2/3 opening, like a 70% opening. So I'll
Please,
show you
please.
how to. So one track moves. The center track also goes along. And it goes like
So आपकी opening wide होगी क्या?
yes. So what you get in a wider opening, you get a 70% open space. So these are the systems which are normally used where the areas is attached to a garden or a pool, so that
मतलब
you
जब
want to
आप
connect the open and
system बनाते हैं,
Right.
connect both the areas, ताकि बीच में जितना भी आपका ये area है, ये minimum हो जो block कर.
right. So we need a regular walking space to connect the outdoor indoor in a wider span.
भैया हमने इतना कुछ इसमें देखा. We've seen so many formats of this lighting. What are the color options available in this?
So colors are like whatever color you want, we can give you. So we have a very wide range of color options. We have samples for that. And even if you want to give your broad shade, we can we cannot copy that 100%. We can
But
give
आप
you-
इसको match करा पाएंगे.
Yes, we can make it.
So that actually what you're saying is it opens up such a big horizon because हम जब इसकी बात करते हैं और हमें इतने सारे कलर ऑप्शंस मिल जाते हैं तो एज एन आर्किटेक्ट आई फील दैट आई एम डिलाइटेड बिकॉज़ एकदम से होराइजन खुल गया ना डिजाइनिंग का.
Actually, that is the point. See, earlier it was UPVC like a product, which we are replacing that into aluminium just because the wide range of the colors we have, the spans, the opening of the section itself.
Sections.
Like these are the heavy
Dirty हो
sections.
गए.
Now I'll show you the next windows, which are like very slimmer.
Okay.
So we have a very different kind of architectural designs,
Okay.
which will help in your designing of facades.
बट आई थिंक कि जितने ज्यादा सेक्शंस अवेलेबल होते हैं और जितने ज्यादा हमारे पास ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल होते हैं उतना ही एज एन आर्किटेक्ट आई फील ब्लेस्ड बिकॉज मैं कहीं लिमिट नहीं होती हूँ.
Yeah, that's true because nowadays आप लोग की डिजाइनिंग के इतने सारे पैरामीटर्स हैं.
इतनी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो
Yeah,
गई
somewhere
है.
you're meeting is a colonial design, somewhere there's a modern and classical mix, and somewhere you want completely a modern outlook. So we are having many different type of profiles which are
can suit
catering
for
as
every
per your
color.
design.
Next देखिए और क्या ऑफर
Sure.
करते हैं.
Yeah.
And what about this door?
So basically, where the client doesn't want a slider,
हाँ.
they want a regular conventional
Openable.
door. So this is the openable door. You can open it either outside or you can open it inside.
This is also available in a double door section. With
Yeah, 100%. See, so basically this is a single door. So you can easily attach a fixed window with this. Have a wider section. साथ में fixed window can be attached with the door.
Or we can make it like
Or
a double door.
We can make it as a double door
And
also.
what about the mesh
So
availability?
basically, when you open it, so this is the mesh. You can-
Okay, similar.
Again the
Same
same.
mesh. Okay.
So we don't require a जो पहले जाली वाला पल्ला का होता था,
हाँ, तो वो नहीं चाहिए, उसमें स्पेस सेविंग भी काफी हो जाती है, बिकॉज
Space-
रोटेशन एंगल भी रुक जाता है हमारा काफी।
राइट। तो जाली वाला वो डबल जाली एंड डबल पल्ला इन सेंस वो थोड़ा अगली लुक भी होता था, so
अभी
giving
थोड़ा
a sleeker, yeah.
section आ गया
So
ना?
this is the mesh which has been incorporated at the edges of the profile,
Okay.
and whenever we open the door and you don't want to get out, just want to take a pressure, so you can do it. Very easy operation.
Yeah. जैसे ये तो आपने incorporate भी किया है हमारी
Right.
साइड्स पे, है ना?
Yes.
अच्छा, जैसे आप इसमें लॉक दिखा रहे हैं, इसमें
Yeah.
की के साथ we can lock. What about sliding doors?
So we have
Which
a
incorporate-
additional key lock in the
Okay.
sliding. I'll just show you. This is just here.
अच्छा.
So again, the same slider which we saw earlier. So
But with
when you
the
open it,
lockable system.
So when you close it again, and if you lock it from here, so this handle movement
Will be
stay there.
restricted.
This
Achha.
handle will not go up, and there will be kind of a double locking.
अच्छा, so मतलब वो 3 बारी जो लॉक हो रहा था वो हो ही रहा था उस हैंडल के साथ, अब इससे एक एक्स्ट्रा लॉक
Right. So that
सिक्योरिटी ज्यादा हो गई।
see, this is majorly required. Let's suppose your house having a slider in a lounge or somewhere area, and you want to sleep in the night, and you want complete lockable system.
हाँ, मतलब कि सर्वेंट का एरिया अलग हो गया और आपका अलग हो गया, जैसे
और
काफी
मे
सारे
भी बहुत सारे घर में सर्वेंट किचन में ही सोता है।
बहुत
And
सारे
you don't-
residences में ना, अब जो हम कर रहे हैं प्राइवेट एरिया अलग होता है और पब्लिक एरिया अलग होता है, बीच में वी हैव अ काइंड ऑफ अ पार्टीशन। सो उस साइड सारे बेडरूम्स हैं एंड देयर ओन लॉन्ज, और इस साइड सारा वर्क एरिया है,
Right.
सो किचन एंड वॉशिंग एंड ड्राइंग रूम एंड एवरीथिंग इज दिस साइड।
See, in that case, single locking is more than sufficient because we don't have any type of things outside,
अच्छा,
right? But in case your servant is living on your floor, right, and you don't want him to access this,
तो उसके
so what you
सामने
can do
लॉक
is
भी
you
कर
can
दिया।
lock this, keep the key with you in the night, lock your own room, so he can't access this without you giving them the key back.
आई थिंक मल्टीपल यूजेस,
Right.
बहुत सारे
So,
यूजेस होते हैं, हम
because we
इंडियंस
have
वैसे
been-
भी ताले के साथ बहुत खुश रहते हैं।
Yeah, because actually earlier the system did not have this kind of a provision.
correct.
So I tried to convey to the company that the Indian mentality need a special locking.
हाँ, हमें तो
So
चाहिए ही
they developed this somewhere around 2019 end, and then we incorporated this in the showroom also.
Very interesting.
Yeah.
What are the other products that
Yeah.
we have? And what about this one? This
So,
really
yeah.
looks a lot heavier.
Right. So basically, again, Aluke sliding system. But earlier we were using a regular sliding system, which was showing different type of typologies.
Correct.
Which I told you, they can take a weight of 200 kgs per shutter.
हाँ,
So they had a limitation of height.
ठीक है।
So this is a enhanced system. So this system is called lift and slide system. So normally this system can take up to 450 kgs per shutter.
So in fact that means more height and more width.
More width. So basically, in the earlier systems, we could go with the maximum thickness of glass was 26 mm, like a DGU glass with a maximum thickness of 26 mm.
और इसमें
And in this, we can go up till 40 mm.
अच्छा, so more secured also, और insulation better
So,
होगा।
yeah, the another point of this system is the mechanism. So this is why this is called a lift and slide system. So this is the lock position. Whenever you pull down this handle,
ये ऊपर हो गया।
the sliding panel goes up, and then it's a very easy and a smooth slide. So with the higher capacity sliders, because of this, one more thing, whenever you want to stop this panel, nobody can move it. So again, you lock it here. So this can't be moved.
Okay.
So this system gives you high performance in the cases of sound. The sound cut is very high.
As I said कि इसमें obviously आपकी
Much more. Sound insulation is
sound
very good.
insulation बहुत अच्छी हो गई, क्योंकि ग्लास आप हेवी लगा सकते हैं, DGU ग्लास
Yes,
लग सकते हैं,
yes.
तो हमारी हीट इंसुलेशन बेटर
Right. Also, we can go with a higher, like a 12 feet high
हाइट
slider,
बढ़ा सकते हैं, हम
Right.
width बढ़ा सकते हैं,
because the weight capacities of the rollers are high.
Okay.
So that's why we have to design it in a farmhouses or a villas where you have been using your lentils in a higher
Ki
span.
height zyada.
Yeah, they don't. They actually don't want a
Break in the between.
break in the between.
Got it.
So for that, this is a higher level
Got it.
system.
Interesting.
So basically, in Aluke, these are the systems which we have. Like small windows we have, which I'll show you the other times, like a smaller windows and openable windows and all. The next sliding system we go about, let's talk about Vitram now.
Of course. आप विक्रम की बात कर रहे थे.
So basically, this is a company which specializes in minimal windows. So normally in the industry, आप लोग जो आजकल modern houses design कर रहे हैं, so you want less of the members, more of a glass.
True, मतलब minimum
Right.
is better.
Minimum is better. So do you want to see the maximum spans of the glass without seeing the heavy profiles. So this is called.
Vitram specializes.
Vitram is basically a company which is making only minimal sliders, nothing else. They're not doing anything else.
Okay.
They are putting their R&D department into giving the solutions with the minimal sections.
Okay.
So that's why we chose Vitram, because it's an Indian company, though, but very practical and very pocket friendly also. Otherwise, the same type of products are being imported from like Italy, France, and Germany, like 4 times the price.
Okay.
And they are giving the same solutions, same technology at a better price.
And the quality is at par.
The quality is at par. I'm very happy with the product, and I think आपके भी एक दो clients के हमने ये
correct.
So I'll give you so basically to start with, what minimal I need to show you is, like earlier we had a wider sections all around. So this is like only 21 mm what you can see.
And actually इसका best part ये कि एक के पीछे एक आके रुक जाता है.
Right.
तो दिखता भी 20 mm.
So from far off, you just see a small line of the profile, and also there are the shutters goes inside the frame.
Okay.
So you don't see another profile of the side shutters also. So again the same locking, 3-way, and it's a tower locking. One goes up, one goes down.
Okay.
So like this is an opening position. When you want to lock it, it goes down.
Okay.
When you open it. So this I'm opening. So it gives a very smoother feeling.
और है भी बहुत slim.
Very
बहुत
slim.
सुंदर भी लगता है. Because ये हमने use किया हुआ है.
And
somehow इसकी मुझे ऐसा लगता है functioning भी अच्छी है. बहुत smooth है.
Functioning, तो I'll say कि like a smoothabilities, all the systems are like at par. The difference of like 2-5%. But the thing is, with a smaller section and higher thresholds, the technology is such that they don't get bent. Like normally heavy sections, people think they will not be broken or bent in a regular usage. So,
but slim section के बावजूद इसमें strength बहुत अच्छी है.
And one more biggest point, we can make this slider at a maximum height of 6 meters also.
अच्छा.
Yeah,
Okay.
so we can take the height of this panel or a single sliding panel till like a 20 feet high slider.
Amazing.
So that is the plus point of this system.
And what about the mesh? I think इसका एक mesh भी तो है.
Yeah, so basically this system offers a concealed mesh system. So earlier we showed you like a retractable add-on system. So that also is possible in this.
इसके अंदर एक concealed mesh.
Right. So what exactly do I show you? So this is a closed position. Now I open it. Sorry. And the mesh part comes out with this.
अच्छा. Okay.
So whenever you don't want to get out, you open it, and this mesh part can go till only 3 feet.
अच्छा.
And whenever you want to go out, this is attached with a magnet. You just
Okay. Interesting. और वो बिल्कुल उसके अंदर जाके flush हो जाता है. So it doesn't really
in the system.
Yeah.
So
Very interesting. Very interesting.
Right. This is the latest product they have developed, so that the minimal concept stays intact.
Very interesting. I think there are a lot of concepts about windows and doors that we learned today.
Right.
And आपके अभी तो और windows भी install हो रही है.
Yeah. So now in the near future we are installing the internal minimal sliders and the shower cubicles, which we are launching.
We'll love to come back and shoot that as
I think
well.
within the end of this month we'll be completing with that also.
So interesting. So एक बारी हम जरूर आना चाहेंगे दोबारा.
Always.
उसकी भी shoot करना चाहेंगे.
Thank you. Always welcome.
It's always good for our viewers to know about the new products that have come in. And इतना ज्ञान मिलना भी मुश्किल होता है.
These windows are the technical subject.
And you're very passionate about it.
I really love this job.
Anyways, thank you so much, Bhaiya.
Most
Thank you
welcome,
for
most
being with us today and sparing so much of your time.
No problem at all.
Thank you. Thank you, viewers, for being with us today. And for any kind of architecture and interior design consultancy, you can contact us on www.ansainteriors.com. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to our channel. See you next week. Bye.